Guys, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video. And in today's video, I will be showing you how to log into Huntington Bank Online account. So without any further ado, let's start this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you're comfortable with. Here, I'm going with Google Chrome. Now, on the search URL, type in huntington.com. Then press enter on your keyboard. That will take you to the official website of Huntington, from where you will be able to log into your account. Now on this interface, at the right hand side, you will get login box. There, at the very top, you get to choose an account. If you have a personal and business account, go with personal and business. You can also choose commercial if you have a commercial account, or if you click on other button, you will get other services as well. So select the one that you have. Here I will go with personal and business, and under that you will get two fields to enter your username and your password. At the very first, on the username, first of all enter your username associated with your account. Under that you have to enter your correct password. Now in case you forget your username or your password, you can recover if you click on this link that says forget username or forget password. And if you are new to online banking, you can simply enroll now if you click on this link enroll now and follow the procedure to create an online account. Now once you're done typing in your username and your password, click on login button and then you will be successfully logged into your Huntington Bank Online account. So that's how you can simply log into Huntington Bank Online account. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to drop them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you on next video.